Now that we have the latest version of pip installed and Flask installed, the next thing we're going to want to do is install Postman. What Postman is it is a tool that helps you test API calls and is much easier and simpler to use than, let's say, creating an HTML page and writing AJAX requests via JavaScript. You're going to want to go to getpostman.com/apps. All you need to do once you're on this page, and this page may change from the time you see this video, is you need to scroll down and download the appropriate version of Postman depending on your operating system. I am on a Mac, so I'd click download here. I already have Postman installed. And once you have it, I will show you what it looks like. This is what Postman looks like when it is opened, and you can exit out of here. And pretty much you put the URLs, you put what requests you want to do, and then you press send, and that is it. Now that you have Postman installed, you're now ready to continue on to the next module.